Yeah, Coldy Coyote. It's amazing how hatred can be evasive. 1 minute they're smiling in my face, the next they're hating. I pull the blades out on my back and turn to Jason. Coldy boys, please don't make me chase you. The only thing that I'm chasing is my childhood dream. I'm on my way to the top. I've been plotting, I've been scheming, I've been planning non-stop. Clocking out at 5 o'clock, hop into my Chevrolet. Quick to get back to my studio like I've been running late. Pull out my pen and pad, take out my anger on these beats like I'm Mad Max. I kill these beats every time like some anthrax. It's about that time that I bring some real rap back. I've been gone for a minute, but I'm still intact. I walked away from the crossroads without a scratch. I keep a cross around my neck just because of that. The devil talk big game, but God got my bag. Coyote the menace, in your grill like a dentist. When you get in my business, I'll swing your fist like 2 hinges. These men be acting like bitches, don't make no sense to me. If you ain't talking about dollars, don't conversate with me. Coyote the menace, in your grill like a dentist. When you get in my business, I'll swing your fist like 2 hinges. These men be acting like bitches, don't make no sense to me. If you ain't talking about dollars, don't conversate with me. I hold it down on my own, get on my level. Night rider, cruise control, don't need no pedal. This is my spiritual awakening, go and tell them. I can't settle for a woman stealing food off my table. I done escaped from that, I ain't going back. It made me that much clever, it made me a better man. For the next woman I'm with, I bet I watch how I pick her. She gotta be special, man, just like my 38 special. Providing for me cause natural, I do my best to protect her. I keep my mind on the money, not of the women. And my hands to myself or on my pistol, you feel me? You know that stainless steel, that only thing to protect me. My mama did the best she could, God bless her soul. Haywood is the main influence that influenced Coyote. I was just a little puppy when I jumped off the post. My mama told me, son, be careful. I say, mama, I know. Yeah, Coyote the menace, in your grill like a dentist. When you get in my business, I'll swing your fist like 2 hinges. These